Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Elasticsearch endpoint, credentials, and a running Kibana. Once connected, create or select the default index pattern that matches your logs. Make sure Beats or Logstash are sending data into that index. Without ingested documents, dashboards stay empty. Next, set the time picker to a sensible range and the correct time zone so timestamps align. These first steps unlock the Discover tab and let you begin exploratory queries immediately. Now you move into Discover to inspect raw events and patterns. You should filter by time range, host, and severity to isolate incidents. Once you see relevant hits, write KQL queries to narrow results and save those searches for dashboards. If fields are missing, add runtime fields or scripted fields to normalize data. This lets you surface parsed values without reindexing. Make sure to pin common filters and export a CSV if you need offline analysis, or to share. Finish by turning saved searches into visuals and assembling a focused dashboard that highlights key metrics. You can use Lens for quick charts or TSVB for time series. Once done, attach alerts on thresholds or anomalies to be proactive. Make sure to tune refresh intervals and permissions so stakeholders see live data. If things go wrong, check ingest pipelines, index mappings, and refresh the index pattern. This usually resolves missing fields or stale data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.